Greetings from PME headquarters. This is Vincent, your product specialist. Really excited to talk to you today about a new product feature for the miniWIPER. We are introducing the replaceable brush head. All you have to do when the brush head becomes damaged or frayed is simply grab a pair of pliers and remove like so. When you're ready to replace a fresh head, simply line it up with the channel and reinstall. If you're in the field and don't have access to pliers, you can simply remove the brush by hand. Grab the bristles gently and remove like so. When you're ready to replace the brush, go ahead and align it with the channel and reinsert gently. In addition to this new product feature, each miniWIPER will now ship standard with 2 replaceable brush heads and a magnet. This magnet is used to test if your wiper is working properly. To test your wiper, shift it into wipe setting, grab your magnet, and run it over the corner near the PME logo. Now you can deploy with confidence, knowing that your miniWIPER is working as it should.